Am I audible? Okay. See, today we have to do that third experiment. That is the study of gray to binary and binary to gray conversion using basic gates. What we have in this, आपने बाइनरी को नंबर्स पढ़ा होगा जैसे 0 1. ग्रे कोड हमारे क्या होते हैं, दैट इज जो सक्सेसिव बिट्स है उसमें यदि 1 का डिफरेंस है, 1 बिट डिफरेंस है, तभी हम क्या है उसको क्या है ग्रे कोड बोलते हैं. और उसको कन्वर्ट कर हम कैसे करते हैं, using gate you can convert that. See, for 0 how we represent binary code 0000. Similarly for gray we can represent it as 0000, and for 1 it is similar as 0001. For 2 what we have, see in binary code that is at pin D 1 to 0, and at pin C we have 0 to 1. So there we have two difference, but according to gray code definition, what we have, we should have only 1 bit difference. For that, how we can write 2? We can write as it 0011. Here at G4 we have same 1 1, and at G3 we have 0 and 1. So similarly we can represent that 3. So these are the, you can say, difference between a binary code and gray code. So using basic gates we have to design a converter that is from binary to gray and gray to binary. For this what we have, I think you have already seen the circuits. Using K-map we can realize this all this. We can see up to 16 15 we can put, and after that we can reduce this Boolean expression, and we can design drive the value of G1 G2 G3 and G4. And in terms of basic gate, how we can do, we can use this circuit diagram. See here what we have, we will provide the binary input and we will get the gray code output. So using this basic gates, or you can say these gates we can convert the binary to gray. Similarly we can convert from gray to binary. For converting gray to binary, what we have, see you already have a table from this gray for gray code 0 to 15, and that same table you have for binary. And using you can say K-map, you can reduce this binary, you can say gray code values to binary, and you can drive this B1 B2 B3 and 4. I think you have already studied the K-map, how you can solve K-map, that you have already studied in your theory part. And for circuit, what we have in the circuit, see here we will provide the gray input and we get the binary output. So these two are the basic converter we have, where we have to convert binary to gray and gray to binary. And how we can realize this in our breadboard? See in this breadboard what we have, I have already made that binary to and gray to binary. I will show all the states, you can say. See binary to gray, see this is the binary to gray. What we have, I think I should map this now. See for converting this binary to gray, what you have, you required, see you require 4 inputs and you required 3 XOR gate. And here see input or output you have to provide according to this circuit diagram. So in this, see that is 7486, this is the XOR. Here what we have to input at, see in this IC what we have 4 XOR gate, we required only 3, and these 4 are the inputs, and we have to provide this supply according to this circuit diagram. See for here on the left side, this is our switch A, B, C and D. Similarly LED is also according to this G1, G2, G3 and G4. According to that truth table, we have this pin number there, that is input and output pins. So you can make connections according to that circuit diagram, and after that what you have to do, you have to just run it. See how we can verify, we can verify according to the truth table. See, if we have 0 0 and 1 1, we should get 0 0 1 0. For that, what we have to do, 0 0 and this is 1 and this is 1. See, so we have provided 0 0 and 1 1, and we are getting 0 0 1 0. That is the same output as we have in this truth table. 0 0, we are giving this 0 0 1 1, and we are getting 0 0 1 0. Similarly, we can provide 1 0 0 1, that is 9, and we should get 1 1 0 1. We can try this also. So we have to provide, that is, we have to provide, see, we have given 1 0 0 1, that is 9 we have given, and we are getting 1 1 0 1, same as this truth table. That is for 9, we should get 1 1 0 1. You got the point now? How you can draw this? See, according to circuit diagram you have to draw, and these pin connections you have already there in this circuit diagram, and that IC also referring this pin number. See, if you click on this, you will get, see, this is one XOR gate where you have one input, one A and one B, that is the two input, and one Y, that is the one output. So one XOR is here, second XOR is here, and third XOR is you can take from this 4B and 4A, and you can take output from 4Y. So I have made connection according to this diagram. You can easily try this also. Similarly, you can verify this also, second part, and that is gray 2. See, you can also verify what we can do, that is gray 2 binary. See, what we have in this gray 2 binary. See, this is the truth table we have to verify, and in circuit diagram what we have. See, using this circuit diagram you can verify that circuit also. See, what we have 4 input A, B, C, D. In this circuit, what we have given, A, B, C, D. Similarly, in this, that is B4, we are getting directly input as from A. So one input that is directly from A at B4. See, what we have, one input we have given at this pin, and from this pin we are taking this output as B4. See, we have to provide this as a input to this XOR also. So what we can do, we can take directly at from this point. Now from this point we can also take. So here also I have done this. What we have done, from A we have inserted at this pin, and from this I have taken this B4. So you like this you can also do, and what other thing you can do, instead of inserting here, you can directly insert it here also. After that, what you have to do, one input you have to give this XOR, that you have already given. Another input what you have to do, that is you should provide this, from here at this XOR I have given this input, and second, that is C, for B we have to provide at that is second input, and from this output we have to take from we have to take output from this XOR as B3. For this, what we have done, I have done, that is, this is the B switch. Here this we have provided to this second. See, I have provided it 1B, I have provided to 1B, and output what I have taken, that is output I have taken from this. See, output of this I have taken from this, you can say, pin number 3, that is 1I. Similarly, you can provide all this according to C or D. That input you can provide according to this circuit diagram. Now we can verify this. For verifying, what we have to do, we have to run this, and after this what we have to check for the this according to this truth table. what we have in this truth table. See, we will verify randomly. If we provide 0 1 1 0, for this what we should get 0 1 0 0. If we provide, that is 0 1 and 1. See, we have given 0 1 1 0. We should get 0 1 0 0. Same according to this truth table. See, here 0 1 1 0, we should get 0 1 0 0. Similarly, we can verify for other also. If we provide 1 1 1 0, we should get 1 0 1 1. For this, what we have to do, we have to 1 1 1 1 1 0, we should get 1 0 1 1. So likewise, we can verify the truth table of this, you can say, gray to binary converter. You got the point now, how you can draw the circuit and how you can verify the truth table. So likewise, we have to do this third experiment, binary to gray and gray to binary. If you like the content of the video, please hit the like button, subscribe the channel, and don't forget to share with your friends. Thank you.